Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get free credits on Bingo Blitz. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now here, the key to get free credits on Bingo Blitz is to log into this game every day. As you can see, you can get gifts and rewards every day just for logging in. You can claim these prizes. And there you go, as you can see, I just received 17 bingo credits and 600 coins just by logging into the game. So you need to make sure to log into this game every day to receive enormous rewards, so you can collect them. And another way to get free credits is to play this spinning game. It only appears once when you log in, so you need to log in every day to play this game. You can see here you can win different numbers of bingo credits and other offers, so tap on the spin button. And this is how you can collect free credits and other rewards. So to claim those rewards you just received, you can go to the gift center, tap on this icon and tap on this claim button. You can also get free credits from your friends. Your friends can send you free credits if they have it. So you need to add more and more friends in order to exchange free credits and other gifts. So that's it. That's how you can get free credits on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.